Yeah.
Hey everybody, it's Donna. Doug and Donna's Food Journal presents. There's a song.
And there's Doug's.
We made a quarter of a rack. We heated it up. It's really hot. We cooked it in the oven for wrapped it up in aluminum foil, shredded aluminum foil, and that came from Happy's barbecue sauce. Cooked in the toaster oven at 450 degrees for 15 minutes, and it came out good. Let me taste it and see how it tastes. So good.
Now it's
Can I try
7:44.
yours?
This is mine looks like. And 7:44 is February the 21st, 2018. And have a nice day. Bye.